Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tracked a project in Smartsheet and wondered, how can I instantly see at a glance how far along my project is? You're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate your project's percent complete and automatically highlight the progress using color coding. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll not only know how to calculate and display your project's completion rate, but also make it visually pop, so everyone on your team knows exactly what's on track, what needs attention, and what's still waiting to start. Alright, let's dive right in. First off, I already have a sheet with some data set up. This could be your task list, major project milestones, or whatever specific items you're tracking in your project. Now, the real magic here comes from making sure you're not just tracking numbers, but actually seeing them work for you visually. What we want to do is color code each task based on its progress. It's the kind of visual cue that makes it easy to spot stalled tasks or celebrate completed work. Here, how we'll break it down. If a task is fully complete, meaning it's at 100%, we'll fill that cell in blue. If it's in progress but not quite done, so anything below 100%, we'll color it yellow. And if it hasn't been started at all, which means the percent complete is 0%, we'll color it red. This way, you and your team can just glance at your sheet and instantly understand where things stand. To do this, we're going to use Smartsheet's conditional formatting. Don't worry if you've never used this feature before. It's super intuitive once you get the hang of it. Go ahead and open the conditional formatting panel. Here, where we'll add our first rule. Select the column that's tracking percent complete. You'll want to make sure you're working with numbers here, usually from 0% to 100%. Now create a new rule. We'll set the condition so it looks for values that are exactly 100%. Click OK to confirm, then choose a blue highlight for the format. This step matters because blue will instantly signal to anyone that a task is finished. It's like crossing the finish line at a race. The color blue in this context becomes a visual done stamp. Next, let's handle tasks that are still in the works. Add another rule, this time for anything below 100%. Select your percent complete column again, set the condition to less than 100%, confirm, and then pick yellow as your highlight color. Yellow works well here. It's a color that catches the eye but doesn't scream for attention the way red does. Think of it as a gentle nudge, reminding you which tasks are progressing but still need a bit more effort before they're done. Now for those tasks that haven't started yet, percent complete is 0%. Add a new rule, set the condition for exactly 0%, and then pick red as your fill color. Red usually signals a stop, or something that needs urgent attention. So visually, any red row will easily flag items that might require a check-in or a little push to get going. If you don't see some rows change color right away, double-check your percent complete values. Sometimes it's a simple issue like missing data. With your tasks now popping with color, let's bring it all together at the project level. If you've got parent rows, think of them as the overall phases or summary tasks. You want those to show an average percent complete of their child tasks. Place your cursor in the percent complete cell for the parent row. Type in equals AVG children, then hit enter. What this does is calculate the average percent complete for all the subtasks under that parent. Repeat this for any other parent rows you've got. This gives you an at-a-glance summary of where each major chunk of your project stands without having to do any manual math. And that's it. With just a few conditional formatting rules and a handy formula, your Smartsheet goes from a basic task list to a dynamic, color-coded project dashboard. Now you'll always know what's cruising, what needs focus, and what's waiting to launch all in one view. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, just drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Smartsheet tutorials and project management tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.